In this video, we'll be editing your customer account settings in your Shopify store. From the Shopify admin homepage, go to the bottom left, select Settings, select Customer Accounts on the left-hand side. Here, you're able to see how your customer's login experience functions and what version of the customer accounts you have set up. You can either have new customer accounts or classic customer accounts, which are accessible by URL. We'll select Edit. We will want to show a login link in the header of our online store and at checkout, as that facilitates self-serve returns, which we'll cover in a moment. Here we'll have new customer accounts enabled, which allow customers to log in with a one-time code that's sent to their email. You can also have classic customer accounts set up, which allow customers to log in with an email and password, but business-to-business customers aren't supported and will need to log in at the new customer's account URL instead. So to keep it streamlined, we'll have new customer accounts set up only. Within the new customer accounts login page, you have the one-time code sent to their email. They don't need to create an account or password. You can set up the branding for checkout when they go through the process to make sure that your logo, the colors, the fonts all align with your brand style guide for the new customer accounts. Customizing your checkout and the branding will be covered in a different video. For self-serve returns, by default, they're set to off. We will enable by turning on here in a moment, and this allows your customers to request and manage their returns from their own accounts, streamlining your process and helping facilitate greater customer success. Select Turn On in the top right-hand corner. You'll be given a notification that basically says the customers have to have the ability to access their accounts, so you can either add the link to new customer accounts in the header of your online store and at checkout, or you can manually add the new customer accounts URL to your store. If you don't know how to do that, you can select Learn More and navigate to see what you need to do by editing that in your online store in your theme, which is covered in a later video. We'll click Select Add Login Link, which will add the login link to the header of our online store and at checkout. And now we can see that our self-serve returns are turned on. To look at what your URL is for your customers to have access to new customer accounts, you can select the copy to copy down what your customer account's URL is, and that should populate based off of what domains you have integrated to Shopify. Once that's done, go in, make sure you go through the entire customer journey to see how a customer will log in and look for any friction points where they may get off the sales process when they're a new customer coming into your brand and coming into your store, and try and make it as frictionless as possible for them. If you found this video helpful, click subscribe down below and follow us for more on setting up and running a business online.